everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and right beside me is my husband Marcel, and we are in Christiana actually. We're right at the stoplight here on the bypass, and we are heading to Jacksontown this morning because we have some items to pick up that was donated to us for distribution, and so we are taking you on the journey with us this morning. Right, Marcel?
Right, Michelle.
So guys, please remember to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated immediately. Alright, so the items we're going to pick up this morning were sent by an anonymous donor. She's always donating. Thank her very much. And in fact it was sent to Kingston Wharf. Somebody picked it up and then it's just traveling all over the place. The person who carried it from Kingston actually lives in, I believe it's Runaway Bay, right?
Runaway Bay.
It's St. Anne, somewhere in St. Anne.
Well, I don't know, but at St. Anne.
Somewhere in St. Anne. But at the time we were not able to go and pick it up. That was last week or the week before, because we were so busy and because we had the change in climate, and our daughter was not feeling too well either. A lot of things were happening, so we weren't able to go and pick it up. But I want to thank the young lady who traveled with the items from Kingston to Ocherios to drop off with Marcel's cousin, who's a police officer, and so now he lives in Brownstone. So we're actually to go to Brownstone, but he has decided to meet us in Jacksontown. So everybody is helping us, and so we are very grateful. So this morning, instead of going all the way to Brownstone from Christiana, we will just go to Jacksontown, which is still a very long journey, but we can't complain because it's still closer than if it was in Kingston.
Find so much things to chat about on this journey. Alright, we are go straight. If we make the left, we go on a yard. Left turn, go yard. So this is they call this a dump. Yeah.
We silent till when you go on the corner and take that road on your right. Then heading to Silent Hill, right over there, so.
Make a right here, that go Silent Hill, but we're not going no hill with Silent Hill now. So we had to like maybe an hour, like a bit over 1 hour. So we can snail the driving this morning, you know.
Yep. Have to speed it up a little.
Well, we're not speed it up. We just go a little bit faster.
So the same thing.
No. Speed up means.
Yeah, man. Whoa!
Never know someone broke into that
Oh my god.
They couldn't put something there.
Guys, we just passed a brockway. We did not see it until
That's
we were
not a broke,
upon
that's
it.
a pop way that.
Oh my god.
No sign,
That
nothing
is so
there.
dangerous because you can't see it until you're actually there.
And in a corner either. So you have to keep off your side.
So guys, you're watching and you're traveling this route. Trying to remember the name of down here.
Here, sir? Well,
yes.
remember, say we are going to Likkle Parish, you know.
Right, so you're heading to Likkle Parish from up by Colleyville there at the bakery. Please be cautious. There is a what Marcel called a brockway.
Yeah.
on your left, you can't see it until you're out because it's in the corner.
Popway,
There needs to be a sign there indicating that persons are to be cautious when passing right there. So it's a good thing I know me I drive. Or maybe if I was driving, I wouldn't be looking over that side, you know.
That's why I said, come and look over and drive. Me I drive fast. You never really go over that side.
Wow.
We are pass. No, we know over there, you know, but that over there. Yes. So, this is the border of Trelawny and Manchester. See? Welcome to Trelawny. That's a sign there. So we are now in Trelawny, South Trelawny.
Yeah. That's the order of the day. There's a sand drone here somewhere as well. A whole heap of sand on it. This place that's here way.
Yeah. Not safe.
No, not at all. Alright.
So we are going down to, I guess there's an alarm and stuff.
Barely have no signs anymore.
At least I take them.
You just have to know which part you're there.
Yeah. My church up there's a gun.
From
Only table left up there.
Which
Table
table
alone
is that
there.
table?
Yeah, one table there in our church. So this is the square of Larimas. If you make a right, you go Battersea. The name Battersea. Butter, Battersea. Battersea.
Battersea.
Yes. But they call it Battersea.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. One in a hat, you know. I turn on a little bit of AC. So if you wanna hear a little noise, AC, the blower make noise because we hot. We hot here now. Are we getting hot here now?
So okay. So what the breakaway did they?
It's still there. But then they get piece of land there, so they widen the road over there, so.
So it's the first time we're driving around here since what's the one? Next 1 year or so?
Yeah.
Since the hurricane, after the a little after the hurricane, when we saw the whole breakaway there.
Every road mash up.
People them farm look good though. Nice and green.
Yeah. They fix it up.
I always like around here, you know. Around here look nice. You know, the houses and all the farms, everything just look pretty.
Oh, look how that's. Oh. I must Irish potato, they don't plan.
Yeah, I'm over the other side.
So we don't know all I little turn off road them. But the one them what we know when we talk about them. You see what I say? Like down here, so we don't know where this road go.
So Olive River Road there.
Okay, Olive River I go. So I have the Olive River over there, so. Yeah. How are we going down here, so?
Bad road.
Oh, Jesus.
Water. Maybe some peppers or something.
Now make a staircase there to go. Patmore Funeral Home right there, so. Holy water, waste. Now we want some. It's a White Dove Memorial Garden. So we still the alarmers. Go down there.
One sign it up here, so name it says Redland or something like that.
Yes, Redland. We're there, Redland now. Dirt red.
The sign it is somewhere here, but
See there?
see there?
Redland.
Yeah.
Redland.
What is dirt? Don't
See there?
red.
Yeah,
It's
what
red
you call
like
that?
that? I don't know. It looks brown.
You can't call it brown land.
Why not?
So you have Redland, you have Queensland, you have Kingsland. Now what else you have?
I have no idea. So guys, the nearest town to us from where we are now is Albert Town. So we have quite a good way to go. We have to go to Albert
No,
Town.
sir, no, you have Thompson Town.
Thompson Town where? Is that town?
Thompson Town, that didn't.
And that's not what I meant. I
The
mean,
name Town. Not sure.
But that is just the name. It's not a them have
Then so Albert Town, no Albert Town.
So Thompson Town have like supermarket and commercial buildings and
But
stuff.
he have near. He said town.
It just name so.
So Glastonbury over there, so.
It just name so.
Well, so Albert Town no say name.
Have business places, holy commercial buildings.
I just see 3 people them not build up a place, man. That town, Thompson Town.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, but anyway, so the nearest town to us from where we are is Albert
Thompson Town.
We're gonna pass through Thompson Town, then we go Albert Town.
We not pass through Thompson Town, but I nearest town.
Oh boy.
It's a low river.
I see Mendes Town sign there too.
It's a low river, and Mendes Town, they're right on the same side.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, it's a low river. It's a river run low around here, so.
I will tell you. I get that information. Hey?
So what they said, then this is a high river? Yeah.
I get too much trouble here, myself.
I said, me not get no trouble. I said, me not want to get no trouble though. Watch it.
Oh boy.
Not even one indicator. So one next sign Lime Tree. So we left our lower river and come a Lime Tree. Make we see if no Lime Tree around here.
Breakaway right here, so too.
Yeah. Make we see if we see no Lime Tree. Or hurricane blow them down. Sour, yeah, place sour.
Sir, look where you're going.
The music making you not hear now.
Litchfield. Sign says welcome to Litchfield.
With that Litchfield? Hey! Yeah, Litchfield. Them place are prone to landslide, you know.
So I have so much breakaway.
Yeah. Them pana side are nice though. Litchfield.
What is this place?
I don't know, it look like one church.
Or some commercial building, I don't know. But there's no sign.
Maybe I want tank.
Tank with windows.
Yes, that is overflow. See, overflow.
Oh, yeah. Woodrow.
So there, Woodrow.
Oh, okay.
Around here, so the house drop off. It's still over there.
Yeah, it's still there. Yeah, it's still there.
I think they demolish it. You sink more, not you?
Yeah.
Someone junk on the top of it.
Oh boy.
Oh, Jesus.
Well,
It's a Litchfield. If you make it right, go to Litchfield. Litchfield. I guess I can drive this or go to Germantown and all of them places, yeah.
so if you drive this line up a German
You can end up down at Alps Spring, but the road not good.
Oh, that would save us a lot of journey.
Wait, if you drive there?
No, I wouldn't have to go to Albertown and then drive through Alps Spring, but
Yeah, but the road not good.
yeah, we'll have to try it one day.
You walk, you have to walk. Yes, guys, so we are on a tour. We're going to Jackson Town. Yes. So we are going to a whole heap of bushes. See, water truck, yeah? A long truck this now. I think you can carry about 10 of them tank. So guys, if you are watching and you see your house or you see your community, you can just make a comment, you know, and tell me, say, yeah, you just passed my house and a blue one here, blue and white, and part of it no paint. Tell me if you see it. Tell me if you see your house. Yeah, make a comment. Tell me if you see your house. Tell me if I hear a black them pack up on the roadside, yeah, sir. Yes.
Just past some Pentecostal church. I remember.
Alright, if you go to the Pentecostal church, give me a thumbs up.
Yeah.
No, one thumb up.
This is what is this place again? Green something.
Green Town. Green Town.
Yeah.
And you can drive right down here, sir. Right down here, sir. And go, so.
So where?
So, where we go?
Why? So one explain for me.
Yeah.
What's that then?
So, Joe Hut, if you drive, make a right here, you go Joe Hut. Through the Likkle Road, see sign there?
Yep.
Joe Hut. So, we're supposed to there wait a bit now, you know?
Wait a minute. Wait a bit.
Yeah, wait a bit. One time I hear one story, you know, how wait a bit get the name. I don't remember fully what I did hear, but I think something that happened and somebody said, wait a bit, man, wait a bit.
Oh.
So then just call the place wait a bit, so.
Wait a bit.
Yeah. So we're there, wait a bit. So, guys, if you remember how wait a bit get the name, you can just let me know, please. So we can share it with someone else. Wait a bit. Wait. I know, wait, you know, wait a bit.
Big patrol.
W-A-I-T. A bit. So this is Wait a Bit police station. Yeah. I take about 2 hours to go to Jackson Town, not sure?
I remember the road bad. Bad road.
Bad road bad. So to our right is the Wait a Bit all-age school. Yeah. But through dash cam can't turn. But it's to our right still, it's over there, so.
If you attended that school, make you know too.
Yeah, if at that school they go when you Likkle. Yeah, when you did Likkle, you can tell me.
When you liquor.
Yes, tell me. If I just say they go when you did Likkle.
When you liquor.
When you oko.
When you did liquor.
When you look. Yeah, so we leave. I guess we leave Wait a Bit now. And I guess we are going all sides now. All sides Wait a Bit. After Wait a Bit. We just talk off based upon what I know, but I'm not sure about everywhere. Alright.
Yeah.
Electrician at work. Likkle Rasta.
Clear the road.
Yeah, man, that's what you tell me from last night.
It's all sides. Welcome to all sides.
All sides. So I wait a bit on this. Remember when all sides are wars up too?
Yeah?
Yeah, outside wars up.
Oh, the one. Yeah.
Yeah. And then you have this one over here, so wait a bit.
Okay.
So all sides this. All sides. All sides. Deso, yaso, deso, round deso.
All sides.
All sides.
So you get it. All sides.
Yes. Alright. So we're not done with deso yet. We're not done with all of the sides them yet. They do here.
That church on topic on the first place of this church.
Nobody knows one church. It look like you wonder water they flood out down so.
Oh, down Williamsfield.
Yeah, down on Content.
Oh, okay.
Modern building there.
The small one is
Cane man there. Cane man. Everywhere you go you see somebody do like a knocking, you know? Because since the hurricane, yeah, people still have things to do. Almost everything can do one time. Likkle. How much they find this already?
From which part?
All sides. We couldn't do that till now.
But you don't know, so I guess I have to look for the next sign.
And not everywhere we are going to see signs. Some of them blow away.
That's the house up here.
Wow. No, yeah, people say they invest so much run at this place that way sideways so.
Soil.
Yeah. They want rocks. They want rock stone land. See there? You know, it not care the amount of things where you see slide down, you know, see no stone come down.
What's the dirt?
Be a brown dirt. I have to go find out how the soil name. Not sure. Agree with me.
Maybe it's clay. Nice. Does not look like clay salt here?
No, sir, them are not clear. This look like something like loose. Look on it.
Silt.
Remember I said clay with a clad, you know. So you hardly find landslide on clay. No, see, no man, I'm not clay, man. Clay have dirt. Stone. Enough stone. Enough.
This dirt kind of looks shelly, like red dirt.
Yeah, a shelly dirt. So we'll call it shelly sand. We left this already, man. We're not there no way outside up this again. We are going down to wire fence now. Wire fence. We are going wire fence. So guys, if you are watching and you are from wire fence in Trelawny, please let us know. Or if you know somebody who is from wire fence in Trelawny, please send them this video. Send them the link to this video so they can go and see the truck park up a roadside. They can see the tractor. They can see the house and see one donkey there too. We don't know who owned that one there. See that? Yes. So we are in wire fence Trelawny. Upper Trelawny. Yes. So we are going wire fence square now. We know this a place I know. We know wire fence. So if you make a left right here, so now you go Sweat Hill, Thompson Town, you go Carter Wood, all sides you go Warsup, all of them places there.
Right back to Troy.
Warsup, you go Troy, and you still can't go Albertown from there, so too. So that is like a little circle, you know? Yeah. Drive round. But you will not drive round today. We are going one place. One place we are going to stop on a Jackson Town. Choo-choo?
Choo-choo.
The choo-choo. Hey, big up my friend Choo-choo. Yeah. Alright. We'll pass wire fence. We don't know where your name yet. But I guess somebody can tell me where your name. I see him type of style down here.
What's the matter with us?
Daddy, morning.
Yeah.
What you call that style there?
Where?
The dirt. Where they call it?
Yeah, dirt, I did.
Yes.
Yeah, red dirt.
Red dirt?
And you put up flowers on.
Oh.
I just young with you.
Yes.
Yeah, from my to you.
But why it slide so much?
You want to know. Well, I'll make it so. And they go take some.
Yeah.
So, if we don't lift you, it's a structure and leave it down. So when the water comes from the farm, we just change now.
You wash down everything?
Everything. And the water see there, up there some live. And the way you know, a bucky so.
Yes.
And the water won't come a road to the river.
So river there?
Don't you so?
Oh.
So you know that's how water turn.
Yes.
Anyway, we see water there. The government cut everybody one head.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
So then got build it where they should have put it, lift it out and make it a cellar. Then you can dig out a hole and put it out. So you know that come like a pool.
You run, you second on that house there, so?
Aye. So when the second the water want run out.
Yes.
So we have to do cut all change up the whole water. Still away.
So how you can stop your water from run?
When them have to do cut one gutter back so.
You don't want no gutter man, chop off your foot.
Alright.
Alright.
Lord of mercy.
Yeah, if you have something around and you want to stop it, you just get rid of the feet, you know?
Why you said its style name?
Red dirt, he's saying here, red dirt. But my feet they have one other name, you know? Red dirt I like red dirt, man, red dirt. Like over Mr. Granville. This a red dirt there. This don't look, this not red. This have this white. White and whatever. Yeah. She's asking me her name, you know. Oh Lord, I never remember.
Conversation take a different turn.
But to go back and ask you.
No, it's fine.
Fine for you.
Fine for you.
And you don't know where place name and you don't want to ask him.
We find out.
Oh, you go. Alright, next time you want to ask. You see it, you want to find out but you not ask.
Whoa!
Yeah? I road up the side, no? See the light post.
So which end them travel from to? Maybe it's one of them turn off there.
Maybe.
There was a sign up there when we passed named Penn Road. So unless it heads up into that district.
It could be. Because we post them gone down there, so but you know see no house down there. So maybe go down to the end of the road.
Yeah.
You see all them tree, you know, all of them, most of them drop down when, you see it?
The sun just catch up.
Yeah, because the soil loose. So a man can't tell me say they build house around here so, and they go around here so too. Because it don't run down there.
When so them dig out, they make trench.
They dig out, no, them a build house and get tractor to dig down.
Oh.
So they not cut no trench so the water run. So anyway, he say water run if you go look for river. When just chop off it, the water tap run. Holy place can drive round here. So they never fix this road just before election. I want to go on.
Remember?
They mash up so quick. You can't tell me say Melissa mash up me. Melissa I walk on road, Melissa walk over road. So we there Stettin. So nobody say health center there. Yes, Stettin, Ministry of Health. Oh no, Alberton this say. No, this is Albert. Oh, they move it. Oh, they move the clinic for Stettin where they still.
But this says Alberton.
The health center.
It's kind of weird.
Chinese. Somebody know it. Ronya.
I didn't just feel like you know blow everybody.
I care. They know, man. They don't know me. They don't know me. So this is Stettin. I was saying I was in Scheme Road this. But we are drive past it today. You show me so? We can't pass it.
Yeah. Never right? Oh.
Yes. So, guys, if you are from around here, Stettin, when you drive this, go to Freeman's Hall, right turn. And this is a Penn Road. Same road this.
Yeah, so that means it's the same sign that we passed up. So it's a road that
it goes straight through. So we could never drive this one.
Well, we couldn't just do that. We don't know how the place set up.
So no, you know, say come through. We could go back and drive through then.
And that road probably just bad. Like, all of them off road, really bad.
Yeah. So we still there, Stettin. Stettin, no, not Stettin. People call it Stettin. But that's Stettin. S-T-E-T-T-I-N. Stettin.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
See how long it takes us to reach Alberton?
And the journey longer from Alberton to go to Jacksontown. We have to go speed up. Maybe we only can vlog half our journey.
Yeah, it's so long.
Somewhere around 1 hour now since we leave up at Christiana.
You think?
Yeah, no, 9:05 we did up there.
Yeah.
Whether you drive fast or slow, you still like a pass the place, you know, so you can't say, yes, we're there, sir. Yes, we're there, sir. Yes, we're around there, sir. Not true.
People want to see.
Not true. Alright, guys, so we are still in Stettin. We passed the road to go for a lady. What's your name?
I don't remember her name, no.
We have to go look for her.
You pass it already? No, you're not past it yet.
Oh, yeah.
I go up.
Okay, so, oh, yeah. No, go call to her.
No, not today.
We go call to her. That's true, you say, no?
To the road here, so.
She's a long talker. We can't go there today for real.
Oh, boy.
We have to come back and look for her.
So guys, that's a lady who we met a little after Melissa. Her family contacted us to go to come and look for her to see if she was okay, because she is in a wheelchair but she's a very, very, very nice, warm.
Very, 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 very nice, nice, warm lady.
Yes.
Yes.
A little ways, right? Right, but that we didn't get to vlog because, you know, the family would have asked us to just come and check on her for them, and that's what we had done at the time. But, you know, it was a pleasure to have met her. It was quite refreshing.
Yeah.
She spent the whole time preaching to us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now she gave us a book.
That book is coming back home, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the gas station. Known as Likkle.
Almost.
No, Alberton, that understand.
Whoa.
This is one big hole
Whoa.
right in our town. Welcome to Alberton. Welcome to Albert Town. This is Albert Town. Trelawny. So we are going to Jackson Town. You wanna find out if him leave already? Port up town. That road up there, son.
Oh, sorry. Try call Lodi. Lodi, me a try call, alright.
Who you call?
Yeah.
Wrong somebody you call?
Sure, man.
Me call. Cause me have the number. I don't know who you call wrong number. No. Yeah, you she call, but I know you she want.
Whoa. Alright. Later.
If one of them soon I work down here, so. Oh, go on, Janty.
How far away?
Me just left Alberton, me done.
Alright, good then.
No bother with that, man. You look like you are going to turn up down the wait, so. Eh? Yeah? So all of them the time they want to come down, they can wait for you. You're somewhere else you come from then. Alright. Yeah. How want me do?
You don't know, you're gonna tell me.
How want me say? Yay! Alright. We are. What we there now?
Just possible to put this on.
So what we there right now?
Here, so.
Oh, we there, yes, sir. Alright. You got it.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, we there right, yes or no? So we are looking for a sign around the corner.
It's the first I'm seeing that house up on the hill.
So this is a top road. If you make a left, you go top road. That's up the hill. Down here is a name Dutch Hill. Yes. You know? Dutch Hill. Sometimes we just say Dutchy Hill. Yeah, but this is Dutch Hill. So down here, so look like the community them close, you know. So you know, drive for more than about 3 minutes and then you're reaching our next community. Alright, sir. See what I sign this one? Lad Square. You see it? We left Dutchhill and come at Lad Square. You're not even drive 3 minutes, you're not even 1 minute.
Then close.
So where's your name now? Can't know square this, you know, so you must have one name.
Lodge.
Oh, Lodge, alright. Call it so then. So, if anyone watching know this area, say down here, so you come from, or your friend, somebody where you know might come from down here, so send them the video, please. Tell them say we are passing through them town. Yeah, passing through them town right now.
Yeah.
Where we go next? Ulsa Spring. We go down to Ulsa Spring. Yes, see this sign down there, sir? Welcome to Ulster Spring. Ulster. U-L-S-T-E-R. Ulster. Ulster Spring.
Oh.
People say Ulster Spring. But we are at Ulster Spring right now.
We have also Spring Primary.
Yes. That is school to our right. I go past the gate still, so I'm not have to stretch on the head and look. Yes, this is also Spring Primary School gate. And then I see one sign up and it says out of bounds, so I guess we can go there.
Out of bounds stores.
At least student them one.
Well, they would have loved that.
Car wash there, so. So we are approaching the police station and the courthouse. Also Spring, Trelawny Parish Court, outstation, right here. Yes. So if you know you never go over there yet, hands in the air.
If you go over there, you know, keep your hands down.
Yeah, keep your hands down if you go over there. You know you never go over the courthouse and the police station right there, sir. Hands in the air.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So this is Ulster Spring in Trelawny. That's where we are.
Through Ulsa Spring to just to get to Jacksontown. Boy, I'm telling you.
So this is the road now where you drive going. Germantown, right through here, so make a right to go Germantown. We have to go check out that place there.
Yeah.
Want to find out how the place get the name, you know? So we're not supposed to leave Ulsa Spring. Oh, Ulsa Springs at one so big. How much different place this one? Different name now. But I think so, you see, some of them places that through, most of them places where you drive through no house and so on, they don't really get no official name, you know. They just say, me a pass here, sir. Me a pass this, sir. You know?
Funny. They have name ourselves. It's just like
so they have name and they don't put up to make we see it.
Put up with the sign glowing, you don't know.
Yeah, go on like that first to drive through. You say, if I see no sign around there, say it.
I remember.
The sign around there, so. And if you sign I wonder around there, no sign alone around there.
Sign I wonder.
Yes, I know sign alone not there around there. over there around here then. Bad road. But me no run that side bad, you know. Never bad that section. Like water come out by hill.
Yeah.
Mash up the road. That's her name.
No idea.
Oh, Jesus. So they can't post sign all the way still, you know. We're going to find out the name I place them and come put up some like a sign. Yes. So when people are drive there see the sign, you know if you say welcome to, you just put up say Bushtown, Goatland, you know? Yes, I must have one name.
So reach Alps.
Where can I don't have a name? Oh yes, me remember where can I name. This a can I name Devotion Corner. This a Devotion Corner, see there? And they knock it on Devotion this morning. Devotion Corner, yes, I remember this corner.
That's her name, picture?
Yeah. Yeah man, that's what they call it, Devotion Corner.
Oh.
And if you have one, like when they have Devotion Corner, we saw that if they have Devotion Over Corner, don't they so no? Devotion Over. Don't have one next corner. That's true. Yes.
Drink her rum. Oats and Lasco.
Lasco and oats. Not early morning, yeah.
The road is so bumpy. Even though you don't have no potholes, it's still just bumpy and rough.
You must see no patrol in the sky, it look like a plane can rock.
The wind.
It's a turbulence. See Devotion Over Corner now. Almost this one here. You put my Devotion, keep Devotion so long. Just wake this morning.
Oh.
Yes guys, we are going to Jacksontown. We thank you for keeping company because it's kind of lonely sometimes, especially the road there. Lonely bad, so we thank you for your company. Thank you for finding the channel, and we thank you for the support. Yes. Yes indeed.
Beg to second.
You no beg, just second. Just second, don't beg. This is Alps. Alps in Trelawny. You know we need to go?
Where?
We need to go up Blue Mountain. Yes.
Yeah.
Enough people come up there, you know, they're going to pick coffee. Enough coffee there, Blue Mountain. Thank you very much, sir. Good morning. Man, I fun me off, you know, sir. ever bad too. Right Jackson, always bad. I don't know what happened.
The whole community over that side, you know, like
Yeah,
dog.
how about the name?
Good question.
I find the right person for answer it too. We go down there already, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah. We walk up the side and go down there.
Okay.
But I don't remember the name. I don't think I care if you know where down the name either. But now I care if you know. People always up on the corner this, you know?
Yeah.
Or if I have one person always. Ask a man how we down the name. Man, my boss. How we down in that little lane name again? Bottom Alps. Okay. Thank you very much. So we're there top Alps, yeah, so? Yeah, top gate, yeah, so? Alright. Respect, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, so we just passed top gate. And bottom Alps are over the gully.
Why is that not over the gully?
Away.
Over the gully.
So if I bottom no must no dung either. And not gully. This is not top gate. The first top gate where that's an Alps too.
That's an Alps too.
Alps too, yeah. Alps to this. See there? Alps Postal.
What is that?
Postal agency, yeah. So then I have a post office down there, they have postal agency. So the mail order go to the post office first, and then they have a little mailman then we carry a letter for me, so you know. The mail, I say go look at the vehicle will bring the mail. Wouldn't come here, so.
Go to the post office.
Yes, and then they have the mailman now. Will come here, so with the postal agency, yeah. But I guess them I cut out the postal agency them, and then you have to find one post office, like maybe you have to go down at Jacksontown or you go for Albertown. That's all.
Because that one where we just passed now look like it look shut down.
Yeah, shut down. And the building there nobody can use it. Yeah, we're going to want if you want a resource center. Alright guys, if you know about the postal agency in Alps, if you not use, tell me please.
You want it for a resource?
Yes, we want, if you want a resource center where we can, you know, do something like this. We can do distribution there too. Yeah. But we would have, if you have things we gotta go distribute, we will distribute. Pamphlet.
Oh boy. Guys. Oh boy. That's all I can say.
Say ah boy, say ah girl. Yeah. And down there so have one name, you know. Oh, we did hear the name one time.
Yes.
Morning, mama. You can tell me what here's your name? Alps.
Yeah.
Thanks. So we still there, Alps. The man did tell me say you have one next name, man. What name? Tell me.
But I don't hear, so it was way over there
I know.
sell like the yam.
Oh, that's all. Right out there, so.
Yeah?
Yeah. We are going to post one sign down here, so. One no name my place. What Alps is you know one church around there, so Adventist church, you know?
But where we had stopped and asked for the name of the place the last time wasn't here.
Really asked us, so. Right side corner, yeah.
Oh.
And then we asked one younger person further down.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Shires. are still in Alps. This is the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Alps, Trelawny. Alps Trelawny.
Just give me his light.
You give me light?
Yeah.
Never I look on the church. Call him back, let me give him to me. Farmer.
Whoa.
Long time we drive, we do over 1 hour now.
Man. Oh boy.
Guys, we're sorry the video so long, but we have vlogged the journey. We have done the whole journey all the way down to Jacksontown.
Yeah.
So you can see your community, you can see your car where you give somebody if you run taxi with. Because he might pass you on the road, he so pass. The next taxi will pass around there, so I feel you. And you give him that a car there for run taxi, look. Alright. We soon see. So comment and tell me if your car that the one where we have a buck up and run there, so we run taxi. Yes. I like that. You wonder why you not see it yet? You stop and pick up one passenger down there, so. Yeah. That's why you not see your car yet, yeah? Why we make you tired?
No,
Oh. I mean, you're there, and I don't know me make you tired. Oh.
A journeyman, trust.
Journey can make you tired where you are, so not sit down, you sit down.
Yeah, but you know, you only sit down long, it's hard.
Lay down, man, run back your seat.
Or stand up.
Hey, what about a second? I tell ya. No, say your son name Alps, you know?
I don't know where she come from, it looks like so. Unless we pass through Alps already.
That one are different places. Alps couldn't so long. No.
Not at all.
Him can't come so far down here, so. No.
Step over and go.
Eh. I know what am I doing. Alright. They said this are the, let's say, are this? Yeah, they say longest corner in Trelawny, this one. You know?
Yeah.
They said this is the longest corner in Trelawny. I could see for the longest one. Why take measure there?
Yeah, see right through everywhere over there, so now I got all the trees down.
Yeah.
So much clearer than it was before the hurricane.
Yeah. So that's the longest corner in Trelawny, that's what they say. We don't have nothing to measure it, so we just take it, you know, say I say go. So we're done with that. We're done with that, and we are deal with this now. So laugh after me one more time. Laugh with me. If you laugh with me, you not look for me. But if you look for me, after me. You laugh after me when you look.
Money man.
Money man did so. You said somebody drop off of one horse.
That's what I heard. And died.
Right there.
So I've heard.
And they bury him right there. So I see my Steve, they bury him. I can't believe that.
Huh?
So, me always call this a science, but somebody say a two place. So, like we say with their science. Sawyers, but we say science. I want to sign most there, so. That's how we blow people when we pass them. I don't know them. I will friend them. Because they support you too, you know. They watch your channel. Remember one time you had to look on a sign there?
Yeah, can't make out anything.
So we are in Sayers. Sayers big. Oh no, we just reached a Sayers. See there?
Yes,
See sign there?
so we're still in Alps.
Sawyers. Welcome to there. Yeah. What's up? So you're tired? So my friend I drive in front me because he said I drive too fast, so he must slow me down. So I just drive off and see how I go now. He might go no fast. Oh, Jesus man, you couldn't stop out there so. Jesus man. Everything good my boss? Just a check. How many you want? I mean I have that. Where you go buy?
Buy a biscuit and a juice.
If I want biscuit and want juice, I give you right now, you know. So I give you some silver, you want to take it? You go around the back of the car. Yeah? If I give you some silver, you want to take it?
Yeah, man, I take it and buy it.
No smoking, no, man.
Yeah, sir.
No take my money go buy smoke.
See my laugh, you know.
If you know,
I don't smoke.
You know,
I
sir?
don't smoke.
What's
Yeah?
the car?
the top of ask the man one different question and the man ask me for money. So we have to find the key. So pay for information we not get, guys. Pay for information we not get yet.
Come back again.
Yes. You actually got everything good about so like one now. Oh Lord.
Maybe should I just get the information first?
First, man. I am having a bag, the bigger piece, huh? Alright.
Oh boy.
Man say nah, no yam. I bet him and then to get the money in.
I thought you were gonna ask you what the name of the place is.
We know so we there Sayers. We don't need nothing. No,
Well, don't stop
we
again.
don't need that for him. No stop again.
No, please.
I'm going to say Jackson we are stopping now. Stop man. One time we stop since.
We'll leave. Enough time. No stop.
No stop. Alright. So sure so we're there Sayers now. We're sure. Because we're sure. See there? Sayers. My post office is there right there, sir.
Let's scroll down there. So.
Yes. Alright, viewers. If you know this place, Sayers, if you know say they come at this at school, please make a comment right now. Thank you.
Where's school name?
Sayers. Sayers School.
Sayers Primary. See
Let me
the
see.
sign here?
Yeah, but me I go look on it. Sayers Primary and Infant School. Yes. So if you know say they come at Sayers Primary and Infant School, please let us know. Sayers. Right, they have one whole heap of Saya man down here. Saya. Saya bean. Saya owl. Oh. You laugh after me one more time. You laugh after me one more time and I'll talk to you.
That's hard to do myself.
Hard for me not talk to you, not you?
Yeah.
But he hard to not talk to you until you hard to listen to me. Not sure. So how that look? Tell me now. So we leave Sayers, you know? What about this one?
Some John Crows, they died.
One junker dead.
No, there's another one.
Move! Blood of Jesus against you.
Oh boy. So what happened? That one come from eastward now?
Yeah, one dog pup dead in the road. So it look like them come and investigate, and the investigator dead. Hey.
Oh Lord. This is only Jackson Town now.
Yeah. Where they maybe soon reach.
Cross now. Oh doggy, come on.
Come on, dog.
You have to look before you cross the road.
Yes, we soon reach.
I think you reach there yet.
In that car, right? You see at 10 minutes, and you know how much 10 minutes passing since that? Make we see. Because he's not down there wait. He's not down there wait so long. He might call. Wanna reach? I'm going to say, yes sir, we reach. Right, yes sir. Yeah. So reach man in the next couple of minutes.
This part of the road is not so bad.
But that's why I must see Mahogany Hall. I say, you know, one of them place.
Yeah.
Just you know. But I say, I saw.
I'm standing out here so one time. I'm up in the hall.
Yeah?
I think so.
Oh yeah, I say. Not wrong then. Right on.
I'm still looking.
Look like it blow away. Everywhere you know see one sign of blow, it blow, you know true?
But what's not never did that in the first place?
That me I say. One man the back away a blast a come, you know? Watch it.
Let him pass.
Oh, we might go pass in the corner.
No, I know we are making pass. I choose when it's appropriate for him to pass.
We can't give him pass.
You want to give him pass?
You want me to?
I don't know. If you think him a blast.
Guys, we're going to show now how man behind where a blast a come. Two side the road. Over on the right side in there now. Yeah, left on the right side. Well, so give him pass. Give him pass, guys. He might draw back. He's not ready for passing.
I have to give him a pass.
He want to pass him, drive up and just do something. And he would get passed.
Yeah, almost reach Jackson Town.
Who, him?
You?
But I don't know if he might reach there. How am I going?
What's this road called again? Oh, America.
America Road, the name? America Road. America or America? Which one?
America.
Oh, you say America. Say the America Road. I feel like, you know, don't pinch my ears. Don't ring my ears. My ear, why not they do? So this is supposed to be Jackson Hill. No sir, and we are going in Jackson Town. So you must have Jackson Hill before you reach Jackson Town. Nice. So East Street. So East Street there. Okay, so. So this is Jacksontown in Trelawny. Jungle Road to the left right here. I see one gas station there.
Finished? I didn't even know.
Open? Yeah, open it. I sell gas.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. Now we are going to do this now. We are going to
Go out and turn.
We are going to go around this, we are go around Ditcha. We're there at Jacksontown.
Oh boy.
We're there at Jacksontown. There at Jacksontown. And we are going to turn back. Yeah, man, I say, hold hand. The body spot I come and tell the man to hold.
Oh, them stuff in the way.
Alright.
So let's call him again, let him know we are here.
So guys, we make the turn. So we are wait for the delivery. And then when him forward, we are gonna leave. But we're not gonna vlog the journey go back up because it's too long. You would have just wipe out all of the journey if you come down. Yeah, so we wait right at the bus shed. Alright guys, so we thank you for watching. Thank you for the company, always.
Hey Lottie, we reach. You gonna leave it? Where?
Which part? We come with the right at the bus shed there, sir. Right, which part you always see we?
Which corner? You don't reach anywhere, bud. We park in front of the gas station.
We're not in front of no gas station here, man. We park before you reach the gas station. We park before you reach the gas station.
Gas station there at Jacksontown.
Oh, so you say you not come here, you don't reach it?
Eh?
You don't reach it because you don't know.
It means that we reach, man.
Alright.
Oh, you know, look, brother.
He said they're on the corner.
Alright.
Alright, we're coming.
Huh?
We're coming. Alright guys, so we have arrived. We're gonna walk out of the car and go meet up with Marcel's cousin who has the items for us. But we want to thank you sincerely for traveling with us. We know the journey was a long one, but we thoroughly enjoyed your company. So stay blessed, and until next time, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye guys. You just reach. Him a drive. Just reach.
So which corner is that? So if you look
Make it tough and talk, but you don't even know no car. You never know the gas station there.
Alright guys, blessed love. Oh, he's coming this way?
Going.
Oh, he's turning. Okay.
You might come now.